Okay, I am back in the Twinkie. Finally got some power. So far, I have vacuumed under all this. And I put the towel back over the water tank due to condensation if we get another cold front. It's not going to stay on there forever because it'll ruin the tank, but just temporary. So, look at that. No more dust. Whew, this is a job, I tell you. No more dust up there. Can't really see. Okay, so, and I got the insides of the cabinets as well. Okay, so I vacuumed off that board there. And I'm going to lay it down on here because I still have to sand off this stuff off the wall. And then, I'm trying to hurry this job because the power I'm using is going to be rented in a few days. And I won't be able to use it anymore. Oh, look. I swear. Just when you think you have everything, there's some more hardware. But I found some more holes, or some more nails in the wall too. So this is the other side. Oh, goodness. Okay, so I'm going to lay that board over here. And I think I'll sand this wall. Okay, sorry about the light flare. Just giving you an idea. But I took the screws out of the bottom panel. I think that's plastic. And I'm now working the rest of the material out from under the window panel. I don't know if I'm going to take these off. I think I'd have more trouble if I took them off. I think I'll leave them on and just paint over them. And I'll probably paint them a silver color. No, there we go again. It just doesn't want to tear out. It's so stuck to the wall. And then each time I come in here, just means a little more progress, right? So I've got this, my drill, and a disc pad, and a fine grit sanding paper. So I'm going to sand down this wall. I just realized there's a big hunk of stuff right there. Okay. Anyhow. And these are stick-on pads. I think. Supposed to be. There we go. Okay, so that's what it is. It's 120, 415U. I'm going to stick it on the pad itself. Self-sticking. There we go. Put it on the drill. A little bit of extension on there. Okay. Lock it down. Oh, okay, let's get this off. I totally missed that one. Okay, put my mask back on. The mask is tearing up my nose. It has already scrape the skin off my nose. It's not good. Okay, and put my goggles on for this job. Which will probably cause the mess to ride on my nose even more. Okay, let's get this party started. Whoa. I think I'm going the wrong direction. A regular sander would probably be easier. Paint this surface, I've got to get it right. Jeez, so much of this stuff. We went through some pretty weird eras in time where things were considered cool, huh? Paper's coming off. Shoot. I hate it when that happens. Maybe I should go with the heavier grit. It's coming. I don't like the fact that this paper's not sticking though. That sucks. Oops. Now I totally lost it. Shoot. I don't think it's going to stick anymore. I got too much dust. Darn it. I'm going to have to glue that sucker down. I don't care. Not fun yet? I'm trying to sand, but the sander's not working very well.